First, motion is relative. Motion is relative means that the same object can appear at rest and in motion at the same time. How? Like the driver. The driver, when he's driving his car, he's at rest with respect to his seat, but he is in motion with respect to the tree. And this depended on the reference frame that we chose for him. So, in order to study the motion of any object, we have to choose for it a reference frame. So, to describe the motion of an object, we must choose a reference frame. What is a reference frame? A reference frame is a point or an object where motion is studied relative to it. It could be a tree, ground, sun, earth, etc. So, when we can say that the object is in motion, the object is in motion when the position between the object and the reference frame changes. He's considered in motion if the position between the object and the reference frame changes. While the object is at rest, we consider him at rest when the position between the object and the reference frame doesn't change. That's all for today. So a brief summary. That's everything we have to study here. So we can take several examples in order to understand the concept of motion. So we took two objectives for today. What are these objectives? We define the reference frame. It's an object that we choose in order to study the motion of another object with respect to it. This object can appear either at rest or in motion. It depends if the position between the object and the reference frame is changing or not. If the position between the object and the reference frame changes, then the object is in motion. If it doesn't change, we consider him at rest. We will take another example to understand it. For example, if I'm driving my bicycle, I'm riding a bicycle, I am in motion with respect to the street. Because I'm riding the bicycle, I'm moving. My position with respect to the street is changing. So here I am the object. The street is the reference frame. There is a change of position between us, so I'm considered in motion. Also, if I'm riding the bicycle and there is a tree, I'm getting closer to the tree. My position is changing relative to the tree, so I'm in motion with respect to the tree. Here the tree is the reference frame. Let's change the reference frame. Me with respect to the seat of the bicycle. I'm moving with the seat together. So I'm at rest with respect to my seat because the position between us isn't changing. Here the seat is the reference. Now if I'm holding a bag on my back, the bag is moving with me. So the position between me and the bag isn't changing too. So I'm at rest with respect to the bag because the position between us isn't changing.